Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet an ivy leaf. This pattern is super fun, super easy, so let's go ahead and get started. So to get started, you're going to need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do a double crochet. So to get started, we are going to chain 4. And in the last chain, where the little tail end is, we are going to work 7 double crochets, all within the same space. Alright, once we have our 7 double crochets, we are going to chain 3. And don't forget to turn our work as well, because we are working in rows. So we are going to double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then we are going to work 2 double crochets within the same space. Then we are going to work 2 double crochets, followed by a 3rd double crochet actually in the chain wall itself. Sorry, working 2 double crochets within the chain wall itself. Then we are going to chain 3, turn our work, and we are going to double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then we are going to work 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Then we are going to work 4 double crochets. And 2 double crochets in that chain 3 space. So then we're going to turn our work and we're going to chain 3. And then we're going to work 6 double crochets down the row. Then we are going to work 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And then 2 double crochets in the following stitch. Then we are going to double crochet in the next 5 stitches. And then we're going to work just 1 double crochet in that chain 3 stitch. Next, we are going to turn our work and we are going to chain 3. And we're going to double crochet in the next 7 stitches. Then we are going to work 2 double crochets in the next stitch, followed by 2 more double crochets in the next stitch. Then we are going to double crochet in the next 7 stitches. And then we'll finish off by doing 1 double crochet in that chain 3 from the previous row. Then we are going to turn our work and chain 1. We are going to skip the first stitch and we are going to work 5 slip stitches. Then we are going to chain 3, and we are going to double crochet in the next 9 stitches. Next, we are going to turn our work and we're going to leave those last stitches undone. Not work, sorry. We are going to chain 3 and we are going to skip the first stitch and then we're going to double crochet 2 together. So we're just preparing for that. There you go. We're going to double crochet 2 together and then we're going to double crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then we're going to double crochet 2 together. And how you end up doing this with a double crochet is you just end up leaving the final loop on your hook. So you pull through 1, pull through 2, leave that loop on the hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, then you'll pull through all 3 loops and hopefully not drop them off your hook. Then we're going to turn our work and we're going to chain 3. We are going to work a double crochet by skipping the first stitch and then working a double crochet in the next, a double crochet 2 together, my apologies, followed by working a double crochet and then double crocheting 2 together. And the last stitch is going to be working a double crochet 3 together. So we're going to start off by chaining 3, and just like before, you're going to insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, and leave that last loop on your hook. So now you got 3, and then you're going to pull through, and you're going to pull through all 4. And that is how you do an ivy leaf stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.